here here find this recording के लिए करियो find the sine of half range series of the f of x is equals to x minus pi x. Here given data f of x is equals to this one. Now it is a sine half range series, means you have to find the values of bl. Now it is formula is 2 divided by pi is there. So 2 divided by l is there. L values here given data 0 to pi means period is pi. Therefore substituting f of x into sine. Now substituting this one, f of x values is given substituted. Now it is apply the Bernoulli's formulas, u into v formulas. Now it is equals to u into v1 minus u dash into v2 plus u3 into v double dash. Now we get integrating this one, u as it is integrations of v1 minus u x minus differentiation is this one. Again iska integrations. Again iska differentiations. Again iska integrations. We get this result. Now simplify this one. Simplify and substitute the limit. N is equals to 2 divided by pi as it is. Yes. Minus x square as it is. Plus into minus minus. Cos n minus into minus, it is becomes plus pi minus 2x into next again it is minus plus into minus minus 2 divided by n cube cos of nx divided by n cube. Now it is equals to, from the limit is 0 to pi, again sin pi values is 0, therefore it is sin terms is 0, sin 0 values is also 0, therefore it is 0. Just a substitute form of pi, cos में substitute कर दीजिए. Now it is equals to minus x values is first of all substitute pi, pi minus pi, just upper limit substitute कर रही हूँ. X values is pi, pi into pi is pi square minus pi square minus pi square, it is becomes 0. First term is 0. Yes, clear? First term 0 क्यों आ रहा बोल के? Here x values is here pi, pi into pi is pi square minus x values is pi square minus pi square, therefore it is 0. 0 into anything is 0, therefore this terms is 0. Again plus sin for sin again sin pi values. Here sin pi values is again 0 minus 2 divided by n cube into cos of n pi divided by n cube minus, again you have to substitute as lower limit. Again lower limit substitute कर रही हूँ, lower limit का minus, just again 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 into anything is 0, plus again sin 0 values is 0 minus 2 divided by n cube into cos of 0. Now which is equals to 2 divided by pi, just it is 2 divided by pi, just this minus 2 divided by n cube into cos of n pi values is yes, cos of n pi values is yes, very good. It is minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 to the power of n minus into minus plus 2 divided by n cube. Cos 0 values is yes, it is 1, therefore it is written as 2 कॉमन लीजिए, n क्यूब कॉमन लीजिए, 2 भी कॉमन, n क्यूब भी कॉमन आता है, that is 2 कॉमन ले जाता है, 2 into 2 is 4 divided by pi n cube. Left is first positive term लिखती हूँ, 1 minus 1 to the power of n. This will be always is bn, therefore f of x is equals to summations of n goes to 1 to infinity bn into cos of nx into dx. Therefore n goes to 1 to infinity. bn वैल्यूज अभी फाइंड आउट कर दिए 4 pi divided by n cube into 1 minus 1 to the power of n into cos of nx into dx. खत्म. Any doubt about these problems? Any doubt about these problems? Any doubt? Any doubt about these problems? No doubt? No doubt? Okay. ओके नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. आप लोग क्या करना बोलिए, आप लोग होमवर्क करिए, वो स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर होमवर्क करिए. इतना ही मेरे को हिंट देना क्या करना बोल के. ऑप्टेन एग्जांपल. ऑप्टेन ए हाफ रेंज सीरीज. ऑप्टेन ए हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज. कोसाइन सीरीज बोले तो क्या करना बोलिए. कोसाइन सीरीज बोले तो क्या करना बोलिए. Find the values of, very good, a naught and a n values. F of x is equals to sine of pi x divided by small l over 0, l का वैल्यूज. जस्ट इधर क्या करना आप लोग, फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ, किसका वैल्यूज फाइंड करना है, a naught and a n. Here capital L is equals to L. That is a naught का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बोले तो 2 divided by capital L is there. Capital L के बदले में इधर small a is given. From 0 to L, just finding the values of a naught and n. 0 to L, f of x into dx. Now again which is equals to 2 divided by L. Just finding a naught and L value. Again it is 0 to L. From 0 x values is sine pi x divided by L into dx. Again which is equals to integrate, we get the limit. Clear? Similarly a n का भी वैल्यूज करना. उधर क्या हो जाता है, f of x into cos, sin a into cos b फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना. sin a into cos b फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर कर इंटीग्रेट करना, we get the result. कर सकते, करते आप लोग. यस करते. क्या डाउट है? एनीबडी हैव डाउट? यस. एनीबडी हैव द डाउट? यस, कुछ तो डाउट है इसमें. कर सकते, क्या करना, कंटिन्यूएशंस चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए. चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए कंटिन्यूएशन करना, क्या करते हैं होमवर्क. यस, साउंड आ रहा मेरा? ओके, ओनली वन स्टूडेंट करते मैडम. ओके, करेंगे, हम लोग ही करेंगे. शेयर. Here a naught is equals to, just it is 2 divided by L as it is. Sin का integration, it is becomes cos pi x divided by L. From the limit is 0 to L. Substitute 2 by L. Substitute upper limit minus just x का value is L. Therefore it is cos of L divided by L means it is cos pi. Lower limit is cos of this cos 0. Now it is becomes 2 divided by L. Cos pi values is, cos pi values is, yes, anyone? Yes, cos pi values is yes, -1. Therefore it is -1. Minus into minus it is become plus. Cos 0 values is 1. Therefore it is 2 divided by L. Minus into minus plus 1. plus 1 it is 2, it is becomes 4 divided by L. What is the values of A naught? Next, similarly, find the values of An का values find out करेंगे. Now we have to finding the values of An का values find out करेंगे. Now An is equals to 2 divided by L. From the half range series, we are taking as 0 to L because capital L is equals to small l given f of x into its formula is cos of n pi x divided by L. L is period given. Now it is equals to dx. Now it is equals to 2 divided by L, 0 to L. f of x का values given है. f of x का values क्या given था आप लोगों को questions में? f of x is equals to क्या given था? Sin pi x divided by L. So here I am writing as sin pi x divided by L into cos of n pi x divided by L. Now it is equals to into dx. Now apply sin A into cos B formula. Sin A into cos B formula क्या है बोले? sin A into cos B formula. Sin A into cos B formula 1 by 2 times of S 1 by 2 times of sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Apply that formula and integrate. It is like a it is like a B. Sin A into cos B. A values is pi x divided by L. B value sin A into cos B. Cos B formula B values is n pi x divided by L. Therefore, I am applying 2 divided by L. Integrations of 0 to L as it is. Sine of 1 by 2 as it is. 1 by 2 outside. Sine of A plus B. A values is pi x divided by L minus B plus B values is n pi x divided by L minus sine of A minus B pi x divided by L minus B values is n pi x divided by L. Just substituting. Therefore, 2 divided by L or 2 cancel. Therefore, it is becomes only 1 by L. 0 to L. Simplify कर रही हूँ. Sine of here common क्या आ जाता है? देखिए common क्या आ जाता? Common is here also pi x divided by L. Here also pi x divided by L. Left pi x divided by L common आया. Left is n plus 1 into pi x divided by L minus sine of here also pi x divided by L is common. Left is 1 minus n. Now integrate this one and substitute the limit. 1 divided by L as it is. Sine का integration it is becomes cos n plus 1 into pi x divided by L. एंगल में देखो divided by constant क्या क्या है? n plus 1 divided by pi by L minus similarly again sine का integrations minus cos 1 minus n sine का integration 1 cos 1 minus n pi x divided by L constant term क्या क्या है? 1 minus n into pi by L. Now just taking L outside again this cell L अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए ये ऊपर चली जाता है L कैंसिल होता है only terms is from the limit is 0 to pi. Now simplify this one. Now it is equals to now it is equals to 1 divided by L as it is minus cos of n plus 1 into pi x divided by L divided by pi into n plus 1 or otherwise L cancels हुआ here also pi outside लीजिए n plus 1 minus into minus plus cos of 1 minus n into pi x divided by L divided by 1 minus n from the limit 0 to pi. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit 1 divided by pi minus cos of substitute pi x का वैल्यू क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना? pi sorry 0 to L is there इंटरवल ही चेंज कर दिए। देखो मेरा हमारा इंटरवल 0 to L 0 to L 0 to L 0 to L था, 0 to L है, 0 to L। नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट दैट वन, 0 to L मींस अपर लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए, L कैंसल, cos of n plus 1 into L pi divided by n plus 1 plus cos of 1 minus n into cos of 1 minus n into, again x values is L, LL cancels, therefore it is becomes pi divided by 1 minus n minus lower limit is minus cos of x values is 0, cos of 0 minus divided by n plus 1 plus cos of 0 divided by 1 minus n. Simplify this one. 1 divided by plus. What is the values of cos of n plus pi? Cos n pi values कितना था? Yes, what is the values of cos of n plus 1 pi? Yes. Yes, it is becomes minus 1 to the power of. Just here step is substituting L. इसको L सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए, LL कैंसल्स हुआ, इसको L सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए, LL कैंसल्स हुआ, जस्ट वो LL स्टेप कैंसल्स हुआ ना, विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस cos n pi का वैल्यूज माइनस 1 टू द पावर ऑफ n प्लस 1, हियर ऑलरेडी माइनस n के बदले में क्या है n प्लस 1 मींस इट इज बिकम्स माइनस 1 टू द पावर ऑफ n प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय n प्लस 1 प्लस cos ऑफ 1 minus 1 minus n cos of, yes, cos of minus 1, otherwise you have to write as it is plus भी लिख सकते हैं। इसका वैल्यूज क्या होता है देखिए, cos of इसको n minus 1 लिखे तो भी नो इफेक्ट बिकॉज cos of minus theta is a cos theta, cos of n minus 1 it is written as minus 1 to the power of, yes, minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 1 minus n minus into minus plus cos 0 values is 1 n plus 1, cos 0 values is 1 1 minus n. Now it is equals to 1 divided by pi, just it is like 1 minus 1 to the power of 1 n plus 1, it is becomes minus 1 to the power of n plus 2, base are same means power should be added, divided by n plus 1. Now it is 1 minus 1, just देखिए 1 minus n को n minus 1 लिख रहे with minus symbol, minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now plus into minus it is minus 1 divided by n minus 1 लिख रहे हो। Now either write this answers, otherwise take the LCM, ये दोनों के बीच में LCM ले सकते हैं, n plus 1 n minus 1 और minus 1 to the power of n कॉमन ले सकते हैं, minus 1 to the power of n कॉमन लेते हैं, it is positive, it is becomes negative, ये पॉजिटिव होता है ये नेगेटिव होता है, सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन, इतना भी रख सकते हैं, अदरवाइज 1 डिवाइडेड बाय, हियर ये दोनों के बीच में minus 1 to the power of n कॉमन, लेफ्ट इज minus 1 स्क्वायर। एक मिनट, एक कॉल आ रहा है, बात करते, एक ही मिनट। Okay, so here minus 1 to the power of n common leave, minus 2 divided by n plus 1, like it is a plus 1, minus 1 divided by minus 1 to the power of minus 1 means it is minus, minus into minus again it is plus, plus n minus 1 plus 1 divided by n plus 1, 1 divided by n minus 1, this on, otherwise take plus 1 divided by n minus 1. again n plus otherwise values of an, substitute all the values. Simplify kare to try it. N plus 1 n minus 1 LCM n plus 1 n minus 1 LCM जस्ट ये माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर इज प्लस 1, ये इस तरफ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, ये इस तरफ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो एंड सिंप्लीफाई इट. वी गेट द रिजल्ट इज जस्ट आप लोग ट्राइट 2 डिवाइडेड बाय पाई n स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 1 टू द पावर ऑफ n प्लस 1 minus 1 आता. Just try and substitute the values. We get the result of this one. We get the result of this one. Any doubt about this? Any doubt about this? Yes. Yes. Any doubt? No doubt? सेम ए नॉट एंड ए एन का वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करना है. ए नॉट एंड ए एन का वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखो. फाइंड obtain series, the half range series of f of x is equals to x as 0 is less than x, which is less than pi by 2, x divided by 2, 0 is less than pi by 2, 0 is pi by 2, pi by 2 is less than x, which is less than pi. Again it is 0 to pi only periods, उसमें ही again divide करे. सो है 0 to pi by 2 रहते ये रहते half range series of the half range sine series. साइन सीरीज बोले तो क्या फाइंड आउट करना बोलिए. व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड द फॉर द साइन सीरीज. यस, क्या फाइंड आउट करना. यस, ओनली हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ bn. ए एक्सरसाइज देखो, bn इज इक्वल्स टू द पीरियड्स इज 2 डिवाइडेड बाय l. l is equals to 0 to pi is given, 0 to pi from the limit 0 to pi f of x into sine of n pi x divided by l values is again pi into dx. Pi cancels, therefore it is 0. Again 0 to pi is divided as interval from 0 to pi by 2 f of x into sine nx plus it is pi by 2 to pi f of x into sine nx. Khatam problems. Into dx. Now this 2 divided by pi as it is. Now 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 तो f of x का वैल्यूज क्या है. 0 to pi by 2 रहा बोले तो f of x का वैल्यूज क्या है. देखिए 0 to pi by 2 रहे तो f of x का वैल्यूज क्या है. yes, only two members. yes, 0 to pi by 2 रहा बोले तो f of x values is x into sine nx into dx plus pi by 2 to x रहा बोले तो f of x का वैल्यूज क्या है. देखिए pi by 2 to pi रहा बोले तो f of x का वैल्यूज क्या है. देखिए pi by 2 to pi रहा बोले तो f of x का वैल्यूज क्या है. देखिए yes, it is x divided by 2, x divided, that is pi by 2 to pi, f of x values is x by 2 into sine nx into dx. Now which is equals to simplify and integrate, we get the result. Simple problems. Therefore it is 2 divided by pi, just u into v formulas, x as it is sin nx का integrations minus cos nx divided by n, x का differentiate is 1, अगेन माइनस एज इट इज कॉस का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस साइन एन एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई एन का दैट इज एन स्क्वायर फ्रॉम द लिमिट 0 to pi by 2 plus again x by 2 as it is sin nx का इंटीग्रेशन it is becomes minus cos nx divided by n minus this minus as it is again x by 2 का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या हो जाता है it is becomes 1 by 2 x by 2 का डिफरेंशिएट 1 by 2 again this minus as it is cos का different integrations again it is becomes sin nx divided by n in n square. Now simplify this one. Now it is equals to simplify this one and substitute the limit. It is limit from pi by 2 to pi. Now it is equals to 2 divided by pi minus cos nx divided by n minus into minus plus sin nx divided by n square from the limit 0 to pi. Simplify this one minus x by 2 into cos nx minus into minus again it becomes plus it is becomes as it is 1 by 2 sin nx divided by n square from the limit pi by 2 to pi by 2 to pi. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit 2 divided by pi minus cos pi by 2 आया cos pi by 2 आया तो its value n pi by 2 3 pi by 2 4 pi by 2 5 pi by 2 कितना भी रहने दो s its value is pi by 2 आया बोलो तो if n is a odd रहा बोलो तो its value is 0. if n is a even रहा बोले तो n का वैल्यू that is first of all raking it cos of n pi by 2 into n pi by 2 plus sin of n pi by 2 divided by n square divided by n plus my just here minus first pi सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे सॉरी इसका लोअर लिमिट इज 0 लोअर लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए नहीं करे cos minus cos is divided by n plus sin 0 value is 0 we are not necessary सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे x value is pi cos of n pi divided by 2n plus 1 by 2 sin n pi value is 0 again which is equals to minus pi by 2 pi by 4n into cos of n pi by 2 plus again 1 by 2 sin of n pi by 2 substitute upper limit minus lower limit substitute कर दिए we get upper limit minus lower limit ये upper limit minus into minus it is lower limit ये minus that is lower limit upper limit minus lower limit just substitute कर दिए इसके लिए upper limit minus lower limit इसके लिए भी upper limit minus lower limit substitute कर दिए now check it yes check it for example if n is a even रहा sin n pi by 2 जस्ट देखिए cos pi by 2 आ रहा बोले तो इट्स वैल्यू से 0 cos pi by 2 आ रहा बोले तो इट्स वैल्यू से 0 ओनली लेफ्ट इज दिस वन अगेन sin n pi by 2 इफ n इज ए इवन रहा बोले तो n इवन रहा pi by 2 आया बोले तो cos वैल्यू से 0 pi by 2 आया बोले तो फर्स्ट टर्म्स में x है सॉरी लेफ्ट हो गया शायद yes x values is first of all इधर pi by 2 लोअर में तो 0 ये 0 बोले तो ये भी 0 हो जाता है. दिस टर्म इज आल्सो बिकम 0. नाउ x का टर्म छोड़ दिए, हियर पाई बाय 2, इधर पाई बाय 2. Now it is 2 divided by pi. Again cos 0 value is 0. Therefore this term is 0. 1 minute. Yes, this term is 0. Only left is sin n pi by 2 divided by n square minus cos of n pi by pi divided by 2n into cos of n pi values is minus 1 to the power of n into minus 1 by 2 into sine of n pi by 2. Now this values is only valid when n is equals to even, odd only. If n it is even बोले तो आप लोगों को क्या हो जाता है, it is even रहता है, it is for example 2 रहा, cancel, again sin pi value is 0. It is only valid for odd. इतना भी आंसर रख सकते. और n is equals to 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए, n is equals to 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए, n is equals to 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए, n is equals to 4, so on आप लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते. दैट्स ऑल आंसर. अदरवाइज ये दोनों के बीच में भी कॉमन ले सकते. इधर बाई एन स्क्वायर है, बाई एन स्क्वायर जस्ट सिंप्लीफाई कर रही हूँ, 2 डिवाइडेड बाई पाई एज इट इज. जस्ट ये दोनों के बीच में कॉमन, ये दोनों के बीच में कॉमन क्या आता है, एन स्क्वायर इज कॉमन, and 1 by n square is common means it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Somewhere mistake. Yes. 1 plus 1 plus yes. ये तो वैल्यू 0 हो. 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Yes, minus 1 by 2, 5 by 2 divided by 2 minus pi divided by 2n into minus 1 to the power of n. 2 divided by pi, 1 minus 1 by 2 means it is 1 by 2 divided by n square, sine of n pi by 2 divided by 2 minus pi divided by 2n into minus 1 to the power of n. ये n का है, n स्क्वायर का है, देखिए. Now which is equals to, again which is equals to, take common. कॉमन क्या आ जाता है, देखिए कॉमन इज 2 डिवाइडेड, 2 is common, 2 divided by pi as it is, 1 by 2 is common, it is becomes 1 by n square into sine of n pi by 2 2. Again it is minus pi divided by pi divided by 2. Yes, pi divided by 2 into minus 1 to the power minus 1 to the power of n. Just this one. These values are bn का values. खत्म. This is the values of bn. Just simplify कर रही हूँ. Simplify कर रही हूँ. No? Therefore, f of x is equals to sine summations of n goes to 1 to infinity bn into sine n x into dx. Therefore, summations of n goes to 1 to infinity bn, 2 cancels, 1 divided by pi into 1 by n square sine n pi by 2 divided by n pi by 2 minus pi divided by 2. 2 तो आउटसाइड आया, only pi into minus 1 to the power of n plus 1. Now substitute 1 by pi is outside. Now just summation निकाल दीजिए. इतना आंसर तो लिख सकते, अदरवाइज you have to remove the summations. समेशंस निकाल सकते, इतना भी आंसर लिख सकते. बुक में क्या कर दिए, समेशंस निकाल दिए. समेशन निकालिए बोले तो n is equals to 1. n is equals to 1 means it is sin pi by 2. n is equals to 1 means it is 1 sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 value is 1 plus minus into minus plus minus 1 to the power of 1. इधर कितना आया था, minus 1 to the power of n था. Minus into minus plus, it is 1 by pi into sin nx plus n is equals to 2. n is equals to 2. Pi as it is. 1 by pi as it is. n is equals to 2 means it is becomes 1 by 2 square means it is 4 plus 2. 2 means it is plus. Plus means it is minus 1 by pi. 1 by pi into sin 2x. Either sin 2 to cancel means it is 0. It is 0. Now 2 substitute कर रही हूँ. 2 substitute करे 2 to cancel, sin pi value is 0 minus it is becomes plus sin 2x plus so on. 1 divided by pi 1 plus pi into sin x minus pi into sin 2x into sin 2x. जस्ट इट इज, इधर पाई कॉमन ले सकते, पाई कॉमन लेकर कर सकते, इतना भी रख सकते, प्लस सो ऑन. दिस इज योर आंसर अबाउट दैट. दिस इज योर आंसर अबाउट दैट. एनी डाउट अबाउट दिस प्रॉब्लम्स? एनी डाउट